Well, hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm in a little bit of a different setup and I've said that before in a different video. I'm batch filming a few videos at the same time. So I'm in a new space. I'm kind of trying to figure out my new camera, and I'm also trying to figure out my lighting situation because I have always filmed in natural light, which is what I prefer, and I'm finding it a little bit difficult and a little bit uncomfortable filming in my closet where there's all these LED lights everywhere. So I'm trying to figure that out. Let me know if you have a preference of where I'm filming. This is my bedroom. I'll show you a quick sneak peek in case you're interested. I know it's kind of a wild background. It is wallpaper, and I know it's very loud and it's not for everyone, but I think it goes really well with the space. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tilt the camera a little bit to show you. But we've got this very cool chandelier. We've got vaulted ceilings and the whole thing. It's not everyone's cup of tea, I totally get it. But anyway, that's just a quick sneak peek. We have a little bit of a living room set up over here, and it's a very calming space, and I love that. Anyway, that's besides the point. That's not why we're here. Today, I'm going to share with you my new handbag of 2024, and it's a Louis Vuitton. It's an old collection, but it is brand new. Now, you probably know if you watch any of my videos that I'm a big lover of 24S, an online store under LVMH. I shop there all the time, and so they also sell a lot of Louis Vuitton bags, and they sell a lot of older season bags where they no longer make them anymore, and I guess they have leftovers of. So this is part of the Fall Winter 2022 collection. It's part of the LV Garden animation from the Fall Winter 2022 collection. So the bag I'm talking about is this beautiful Nano bucket, and I know it's not for everyone. I know it's not for everyone. First of all, it's a Nano. Not everyone likes a Nano size. It's also a bucket bag. Maybe not everyone's a bucket bag person. It also has these florals, which I think some people might think is a little bit granny. Here's a close-up of the bag. So this is Louis Vuitton here. And this is made in France. And it's got this adjustable little top handle. Where is the leather strap? And it's got this leather strap that you can attach to it. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, wow, how did your husband know that you wanted the Fall Winter LV Garden animation Nano bucket bag? He had no idea. I sent him the link for Christmas. So that is how I got it. So that's how he chose it. And sometimes men need very specific direction, and that's what I did. So this is the Nano bucket bag, and actually for a Nano bag, it is not teeny tiny useless. Like teeny tiny useless is like those Jacquemus little teeny tiny bags that you can fit like a Tic Tac in. This is actually a functional size in my opinion. Now it obviously is not going to carry everything in the kitchen sink, but for a bucket bag, I love it. And the reason for that is because bucket bags can be kind of bulky in my opinion, and I'm not always into the bulk. This has enough depth to it where it can fit quite a bit, but it's not bulky on your body. So this is how it looks. I'm not showing it the best way, but this is how it looks and this is how it hangs on me. And it is so beautiful because I love florals and I love gold, and look at these flowers. Okay, but it gets better. It comes with a key pouch, and check out this key pouch because it's this gold metallic key pouch with these LVs in floral. Like, look at that, it's on both sides. It is so freaking cute and beautiful. And then this, because I'm such a gold girl, I love the subtle LVs in the gold. Like, it's not a punch in your face. Even these flowers are so beautiful and decorative, but I feel like they're still subtle too. And I think just all the colors really go well together. Again, even with this caramel brown color, it's so beautiful. You can obviously just let it hang. I'm not sure I would do that necessarily. I feel like it's a good way for someone just to yank it off or get caught in something, but oh, it's so good. It's really so good. And in case you're wondering, when I first saw this, I was like, wow, this looks like a tiny bit bigger than the regular key pouches. So I brought my other key pouches, and actually they're all the same. Since we're on the topic of key pouches, so I have this one. I have my Damier Ben. I actually did this on a trade with someone on like the Louis Vuitton Facebook site like 8 years ago. And this is my Christmas animation that I showed you a few videos ago. And this is the, I forget what this is called. Is this like the graphite or something? I don't remember what it's called, but it's from the men's line. So you can tell I have a little bit of an obsession with key pouches, but this is such a great bag and I love it and I'm really excited to wear it. I think bucket bags in general could be viewed as more of like a warm weather thing, like spring and summer, although this can definitely be spring, summer, fall. I don't know that I would necessarily wear this in like the thick of winter with my coats and stuff, but this can definitely do a majority of the year. And I mean, I always wanted a gold bag. I don't know if this scratches the itch for an actual all gold bag. Like, I don't know if I'm posting this video first or later, but I have a wish list where I want a gold bag and more of like a casual gold bag. And I'm looking more in the likes of Aspinall of London or Mulberry or something like that. So I'm still after a gold bag, but I love this one. It's so great and I can't wait to get some use out of it in 2024. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think about this. Is this like granny or is this granny chic? In my mind, this is granny chic. So I'm totally digging it and I love it. But let me know your thoughts below. And thank you so much for joining me today. And if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button. That really helps me out. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks.